Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore deep meaning of the Indecision Energy Oracle card, including its imagery, light and shadow aspects, and how it relates to your life. What is the message of the card? The Indecision card represents confusion and uncertainty about important life decisions. You might be stuck between two choices and unable to decide which path is right. This confusion may arise from fear, lack of self confidence, or uncertainty about the future. The card suggests that you are at a crucial point where making the right decision is necessary. Now, let us see the imagery and symbolism of this card. A person in red clothing. The color red symbolizes energy, impulse, and fear. The person hasn't made a decision yet because they don't know the right direction. Two paths and a signpost. Both directions say unknown, symbolizing an uncertain future. One path might be comfortable but unsafe, while other may offer new opportunities but come with challenges. Dense trees and fog. The dark atmosphere reflects confusion and blurry future. The lack of information makes it hard to choose. Wind and flying leaves. Life is constantly changing. If you don't make a decision in a time, the opportunity might pass. Now let us see the upright meaning of the indecision card. If the card appears upright, it indicates you are currently in confused state. It is time to make a decision, but fear is holding you back. You need to use both your heart and mind to choose the right path. Confusion and inaction can lead to missed opportunities. Make a decision with calmness and confidence. The fear of making the wrong decision is preventing you from moving forward. Do self reflection and understand your emotions. Let go of fears. Start taking small steps. Instead of overthinking about the future, focus on present needs. Decide which option will have long term benefits. Trust your intuition and choose the path that feels right for you. Now, let us see what is the reversed meaning of the indecision card. If the card appears reversed, it means you are slowly coming out of confusion. You are beginning to gain clarity and strength to make decisions. Your confidence is growing and you are ready to move forward. After a period of uncertainty, you are starting to get a sense of direction. You have learned from the past struggles, and that experience is now helping you. Trust your abilities and commit to moving ahead. Listen to your heart and don't fear making decisions. Stop overthinking and take the right action. Take small but solid steps to move forward. When opportunity knocks, take it. Strengthen your self belief and avoid mental confusion. Now, let us see what is the context of this card in your life. This card can apply to different areas of your life, career or business. So you should ask yourself, should you take a new job or start a business? If making a decision is hard, focus on your long-term goals. Relationships, should you start a new relationship or end an old one? Ask yourself whether the change will bring positivity. For personal growth, should you learn a new skill or invest in your growth? Don't let fear of uncertainty stop you. Financial decisions. Should you invest? Buy a new home? Think deeply before deciding. Now let us see what is the message of this card. The indecision card carries an important message. Fear can trap you, but with clear thinking and self confidence, you can make strong decisions. Strengthen your belief in yourself, listen to your intuitions, and leave confusion behind. The author Sandra Ann Taylor has given affirmations with each and every card of this deck. So what you need to do is stand in front of mirror, look into your own eyes and say this affirmation loudly. I release fear and move forward with courage and trust. I have the power to direct my own destiny now and always. So what do you think about this card? Share your thoughts in comment section. If you have liked this analysis, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.